Hi there, welcome to BDP Knoxville channel. I'm the B in BDP. My name's Brian and I live in Knoxville, Tennessee. On this channel I'm going to be sharing my love of learning new things, even if they're really hard. The first channel or the first set of videos we're going to be doing is going to be dedicated to my 1971 Chevy Blazer. That's right, it is 50 years old. And it's about the same number of shades of paint on it. And so you can see there's got a lot of dents and damage and things from previous repairs and accidents and previous owner, even some things that I've done. What I'd like to do, the one thing that I've always been inspired at watching YouTube videos of guys that are really craftsmen, and they are able to take this dented piece of metal and straighten it out like it was never damaged in the first place without putting even a drop of Bondo or body filler on it. And so I've always been inspired by that kind of skill and craftsmanship, and so I'd like to learn how to do that. And so that's what I'm going to be doing on this channel. And so the first, what that's called is the art of metal bumping. I don't know why it's called that, but it sounds kind of funny and fun at the same time. I don't think that I'm ever going to really get very good at it, but I expect by the time I'm done I'm going to be better at it than I am today. And so that's really what I'd like to do, is inspire other people who maybe wanted always to do something that was fun, or they've always maybe they've been scared of doing it, but they really wanted to. And you know, the goal here is to just inspire you or others to take the challenge and dive right in and learn how to do something new, even if it's going to be hard, and even if you might not be the best person at it when you're done. At least you'll be better than you were before you tried, or if you hadn't even tried. So if that sounds like fun and you want to follow along, subscribe, and we'll see you at the first video. Thanks.